Our eyes cannot see the full structure of the Milky Way or its cross, the bright center and the spiral arms forming a cross shape. From Earth, here's why. Location and orientation. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, and our solar system is located within one of its outer arms. From this vantage point, we are inside the Milky Way looking out, so we cannot get a full view of its structure. Observing the cross would require a vantage point far outside the galaxy itself. Obstruction by dust and gas. Interstellar dust and gas block visible light from the galaxy's core and other parts. This makes it impossible to observe large portions of the Milky Way with the naked eye. Visual limitations of the human eye. While we can see part of the Milky Way as a cloudy band stretching across the sky, our eyes lack the sensitivity to capture its detailed structure, colors, and shapes the way telescopes and cameras can. Brightness and light pollution. Even when parts of the Milky Way are visible, usually in dark, rural areas away from light pollution, we only see a faint band of light that doesn't reveal the cross structure. To view the Milky Way's detailed shape, scientists use powerful telescopes and data from multiple wavelengths, infrared, radio, etc., that can penetrate the dust and gas obscuring our view.